How to remove message button on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove message button on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're on your personal Facebook profile, you cannot completely remove the message button, but you can limit who can send messages to you. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left with the three-line icon. Once you're here, again tap on the settings icon. Under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down a bit and then find an option as how people find and contact you. Tap on it. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and at the very end of this piece, there is a section as how you get message request. So here you can limit who can message you. Tap on for friends of friends. If you don't want to receive any message, then tap on don't receive request, then tap on save. And same with the other option as well. If you don't want other to message you, tap on the last option and here tap on don't receive request and then tap on save. So once you have done that, it will limit incoming messages in your Facebook account, but it will not remove the message button from your Facebook profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.